Hello, this is your first read over the story Born Walker. It's set up just like everything else has been all school year. What we have is the introduction to the author. Mexican-American author Gary Soto grew up in California's Central Valley and worked as a field laborer before becoming a distinguished writer and professor. Soto draws inspiration from Latino poets to write about his experiences as a farm worker and describe the daily lives of his characters. In this short story, Soto explores the Mexican-American experience through two teenage cousins and business partners, Jose and Arnie. Despite coming from the same family, differences in lifestyle and values emerge when Jose reluctantly agrees to work with his cousin. An emergency occurs at the work site. And then you have a video about Gary Soto. You can watch it if you choose. Then, just like the rest of the school year, I'm going to come over and do the vocabulary section. If you don't know the words, you can look them up on dictionary.com. And just like the whole rest of the year, we're not going to do the sample sentences, so don't worry about that. We just want the definition for now. And then you're going to come over here and read the story. And this is your first read of it. So this is the longer story that goes through the whole read that we're going to be doing this week. And you do not have to do the Study Sync TV part. This section is not necessary for today. So the intro, if you want to watch the video, vocabulary on your own, and as always, don't forget to click submit. Thank you very much. Have a great day.